If you're a video editor wondering whether Fiverr is a good platform to start or grow your freelancing career, the answer is yes, especially in 2025, when demand for short form content, YouTube videos, ads, and social media edits is higher than ever. Fiverr gives video editors a simple way to showcase their style, attract clients worldwide, and earn from both small and long term projects. Fiverr is great for beginners because you don't need a big portfolio to get started. You can offer small, easy gigs like basic cuts, simple transitions, subtitles, or repurposing long videos into short clips. As you improve, you can add higher level services like color grading, motion graphics, YouTube editing packages, and branded promotional videos. The platform works well for video editors because buyers often come with clear requirements. They upload clips, give instructions, and expect fast delivery. If you can communicate well, meet deadlines, and stay organized, you'll stand out. Plus, Fiverr's built-in order system makes it easier to track revisions, deliver files, and handle payments without needing separate tools. One of the strengths of Fiverr is that you can tailor your gigs to different types of clients. You can create editing packages for YouTubers, reels for influencers, cinematic edits for events, ads for small businesses, or even meme-style content for brands. Specializing makes you appear more professional and increases your chances of ranking higher in search. Success on Fiverr depends on how well you present your work. A clean gig thumbnail, an engaging description, and a short demo reel can instantly attract clients. Make sure your pricing is clear and your delivery times are realistic. Over-delivering, replying quickly, and maintaining good ratings will help your gigs climb in visibility. For video editors, Fiverr can also lead to long-term relationships. Many clients reorder weekly editing tasks if they like your style and communication. This means stable earning potential without constantly finding new leads. In 2025, Fiverr remains one of the easiest platforms for video editors to break into the freelance world. Whether you want to build your portfolio, earn side income, or grow into a full-time career, Fiverr gives you the exposure and structure to make it happen.